guys, welcome back to Ton of Thins. But for today's video, we're going to show you how to fix your HomePod mini that is stuck and configuring. So if you're interested, let's get started. So when your HomePod mini gets stuck on configuring, it's often because there's some pending software updates that isn't finished or hasn't been properly applied on your device yet. So in this case, there are going to be a few things that you need to do to complete, or in this case, to solve this issue. So in this case, first things first, you want to reset your HomePod mini. So start by resetting the device here. So unplug the HomePod mini from the power for about 10 seconds and plug it back in. Then press and hold your finger on the top panel in here and keep holding it until you hear 3 beeps and Siri say something like your HomePod is about to reset. And once you hear that warning, lift your finger and the HomePod will now reset. Now, in this case, now what we need to do is we need to clean space or to update it. So in this case, you want to create a temporary home in your device. So open up the Home app on your iPhone, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, and just select Home Settings and just add Home, and then follow the prompts or the things that it will require you to do or to fill up in order for you to create a temporary home environment. Now, next is you want to go through your HomePod's reset and temporary home created, and you want to go through the standard setup here inside the process and add the HomePod into this new home. Now, your iPhone should detect the device and walk you through the setup if it's quite new or new. But yeah, now once it's actually set up in the temporary home, it's time to update the software. So in the Home app, up again on the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Home Settings, then Software Update, and if an update is available, download and install it. Now, this part is actually really important, so this actually removes the issue itself. But after the update, you can now remove the HomePod mini from the temporary home setup. Then you can add it back to the original home in the Home app here and go through the setup again. This time, it should configure properly without getting stuck. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.